guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Do you guys know that your skin works at night and repairs itself while you're sleeping? What kind of a question is that? Of course you know that, right? And in case you didn't already know, now you know. So it's very important to use the right kind of skincare during the night. I know a lot of us actually ignore nighttime skincare, but trust me, it's really important. So it's very important to use the right kind of skincare products at night, which would benefit our skin and help it repair itself during the night. In today's video, I'm gonna share a really basic skincare routine which I follow at night, which is gonna make your skin really healthy and glowing. So if you wanna know more about it, then please stay tuned and keep on watching. In a moment, have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If you have already done that, thank you so much guys. And if you haven't done that as yet, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel so that you do not miss out on any further notifications. There's gonna be a lot of cool stuff coming up really soon on my channel. Also, you might want to hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you would be notified as soon as I upload a video. Having that, let's get right into the video. Firstly, you've got to wash your hands or sanitize your hands because you don't want any germs to get into your skin and cause acne. So the first step is to use an oil-based cleanser to take off your makeup, or even if you do not have any makeup, it is advisable to use an oil-based cleanser before washing your face. I just prefer using baby oil. You can also use coconut oil or any such oil of your choice. Do not forget your eyelashes because it's very important to remove the mascara. Also, I use my hands to massage it in and not wipe it off using a cotton pad. Next, I'm just gonna wash my face with a water-based cleanser. Step 3. Exfoliate your skin with a good quality mild scrub. I'm gonna be using this Himalaya Purifying Neem Scrub. I'm just gonna scrub my face for good 2 minutes and wash my face. Remember not to over exfoliate. Just exfoliate your skin once a week or maximum twice a week. Moving on to step 4, I'm gonna be toning my face using this Biotique toner, and yeah, I'm not gonna use a cotton ball because earlier I used to use one and I eventually realized that it's just a waste to use a cotton ball because all you're doing is wasting a lot of product. You just have to massage the toner into your skin. For step 5, I'm just gonna massage a little bit of essence on my skin. You can use whichever essence you have. I am using a DIY essence. I've also made a video on it, so you can check it out on my channel by either clicking the I button or clicking the link in the description box below. Also guys, please don't ignore your neck in any step because your neck is equally important too. Step 6, I'm gonna be using a sheet mask. I'm gonna be using this one by Organic Harvest because I had a wedding and I used a lot of makeup and I'm having a little bit of breakout right now, so I felt a tea tree one would be good. And yeah, this mask was taking like forever to open and finally I'm applying it on my face. In case your skin is a little dry, this is gonna help you hydrate and moisturize your skin well. Oh my god, what is that? I didn't even realize that I'm not wearing it properly. By the way guys, you don't have to use a sheet mask every day. Once a week is more than enough. I'm also gonna take off the excess of product from the packet and apply it on my neck. By the way guys, I don't know if this is just me, but when people genderize skincare, it's pretty frustrating, don't you think? I believe skincare is both for men and women. Yeah, sure, a few steps may vary and the products may vary, but everyone has to look after their skin. If we don't want wrinkles and skin concerns in the future, we better start maintaining it now. I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes and get back. So it's been 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna take off my mask. Oh my gosh, there's still a lot of serum left in the mask, but you're not supposed to use it, you know that, right? Step 7. Moisturizer. I'm gonna use this night cream by Watery and massage it into my skin. Please note that you're never supposed to skip on a moisturizer, even though you've used a sheet mask. Step 8. Under eye cream. This is optional, but remember, hydrating your under eyes is pretty important, or it can also cause dark circles and dryness under your eyes. By the way, I'm using this under eye gel by Fab India. I'm just gonna massage everything in and move on to the final step. Step 9. Lip balm. Show your lips some love by using a well hydrating lip balm. If you want, you can also use a lip butter. Now you can have a good sleep. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. Also, I would love to know your skincare routine and what products you use in your skincare routine. Also, please feel free to share any additional tips you might know in the comment section below. I would love to hear them from you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you liked my content. Also, share this video as much as you can with your friends, family, relatives and everyone so that they'll know how important skincare actually is. Yeah, with that, it's a wrap, guys. I'll see you all super soon with another video. Until then, bye!